If you're looking to furnish your home, stop by at Northeast Factory Direct. We're with the owner, Alex Nemeth. Alex, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Started in a garage, bigger garage. How do you save all this money for your customers?
You know, it's pretty simple. We don't have a fancy place. Our rent here is a tenth of what it costs in those high rent fancy areas, and we buy everything by the truckload and just pass the savings on to the customer.
Well, what can people save? This place is huge with everything.
I mean, we have sectionals, theater seating, huge selection of reclining furniture, bedroom sets, dining room sets, kitchen cabinets, and even hot tubs.
And mattresses, you've got over 300 mattresses to choose from.
300 mattresses in stock.
Give our viewers some examples.
You could get a 10-piece cherry sleigh bed that would normally cost $3,000 or $4,000 for $1,600. You can get a gel queen pillow top mattress for $600. You can get a 6-person hot tub for $39.95.
There you go. East side, west side. Simply go to their website, northeastfactorydirect.com.